Hi, I'm Haley from Solidigm, and I'm here at CloudFest in Germany with Thomas from Supermicro. Thomas, why don't you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about what Supermicro is doing at CloudFest?
Thank you so much. My name is Thomas Jorgensen. We're here at CloudFest together with Solidigm, and today we have our little booth in the background. We show a lot of our current solutions for AI, for cloud, for storage, and obviously some of the combined solutions. And it's great to be here with our partner from Solidigm.
Thank you for having us in your booth. And you guys are really focused on a lot of different markets, from AI and enterprise to cloud. How is Supermicro focused on driving innovation in those markets?
So for the last couple of years, innovation has really been driving very fast, particularly with AI. But AI doesn't work without storage.
Right.
And that's there to complete the picture, right? So for AI solutions, to have fast storage is key to deliver data fast enough. Otherwise, the GPUs are idle. Mm-hmm. And it's not easy. It's not nice to have idle GPUs with the pricing they have.
Right. Of course, yes. There's that important component of storage, as always.
Yeah.
And so Supermicro, I know, offers many different solutions. We can see in your booth, from AI and hyper-converged data center to edge infrastructure deployments. Yeah. Where are you guys seeing the most demand right now, and why?
So in the last couple of years, we've seen the highest growth in AI. Obviously, mm-hmm. it's the whole tech industry has seen tremendous growth in AI, and particularly with the large-scale training, AI model training that's really been the key thing for the last couple of years. That's driven some of those extremely large clusters, right? But now we are seeing slowly a change in the way AI is consumed. We have more enterprises now starting to do inferencing. And that means typically smaller clusters, or even down to only a few servers. It depends on how many users you want to serve and what you want to serve. Right. So that has been a key drive. But we've also seen AI at the edge. So we actually do see AI being consumed at the edge now. And that means tiny little fanless servers or small rack systems that have acceleration, where you can do some AI right where the data comes into a network or where you get it from a sensor. So, as soon as it hits the network, you can actually start doing inferencing.
Right. And for Supermicro specifically, how are you guys focused on delivering innovative infrastructure to meet AI demands?
So what has been the key thing to deliver anything with GPUs today is to actually deliver it in a way where you don't have any idle time, where everything is working in concert. That means that the infrastructure is as essential as the GPU themselves. Mm-hmm. Because how they communicate, how fast they communicate, directly impacts how fast you get your inference or how fast you do your training. You don't want a cluster to sit idle at any time. And that means today's design of an AI cluster is as key as the component you put into it. So right. The way the network topology has been designed, the way you incorporate storage, the way you incorporate fast storage, slow storage, depending on what kind of data you need to feed at what time. Right. That whole infrastructure has developed tremendously in the last couple of years. Yeah. And in Supermicro being the forefront of selling more AI servers than anybody else, we have had to develop and evolve those infrastructures to support the demands that AI has been driving.
Yeah, so speaking of those AI demands, we obviously know with AI comes a ton of data. Yeah. So how is Supermicro taking on that data intensity and looking at it from a holistic approach?
So what we have come out with our storage product in the last couple of years is we have our petascale servers. Mm-hmm. And what that allows is have a very high density of flash drives. And obviously in that one, Solidigm is a key partner for us to deliver that high speed storage that can serve the AI models as fast as humanly possible, right? And then for the larger data sets, typically it's stored in the slower storage. So you have these multi-tiered storage set up for AI clusters, right? But one of the main thing is that high density petascale kind of storage that we now have a huge demand for.
Right. And with Solid Iron, we offer up to 122 terabyte SSDs. So what does a capacity like that mean for an AI workload?
Well, it means that you can pack a lot more in a single rack, right? Because suddenly you have one new unit that really scales to petabyte size. And that availability of data on a huge level is so important for the on-prem deployments we have of AI, right? A lot of AI has been consumed in the cloud in the last, in many years, right? But now, a lot of that is moving on-prem because cloud costs are high, and two, you have sensitive data that you can't have in the cloud. So when you don't have access to that kind of cloud-based storage, you need that same kind of functionality in your own data center. And that's where the petascale really allows you to scale up and meet both the capacity but also the speed required, the bandwidth to the very important stuff here.
Awesome. Well, obviously what Supermicro doing is very important in the AI space as well, and we look forward to continuing our work together. And just tell the viewers where people can find out more about Supermicro and the solutions you offer.
So Supermicro, at this show, we have our own booth, and I think we're present on 10 other booths.
Wow.
With gear and with different, because a lot of our customers are here.
Yes.
Right? But other than that, we obviously have our website, supermicro.com, where there's a wealth of information. And then we have, I think, our own X channel, we have our own YouTube channel, our own LinkedIn channel. So it should be a place to find all the information anyone could ever need.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.